So here's number 8, Pre-Calculus 30, section 9.1. 9.1, number 8. So this is a tricky one. You have a function that passes through 2 points. So it looks like it's a rational function. It looks like it's going to be kind of like this, or like this, and like this, right? So we've got 2 separate points. You don't have to sketch it, but 10, 1 is going to be down here, and 2, 9 is going to be over here. Okay. Determine the values of a and k. Well, what you have is you have x, 1, and y, 1, and x, 2, and y, 2. So this is my suggestion. Plug in 10 and 1 into the equation, like this. So where you include 10 and 1. And then separately, over here, do it again with the second point. So 9 equals a over 2 minus 7. Plus k. Now you still have 2 unknowns. However, what you can do is you can solve each of these for one of those variables. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve for k. So I'm going to take this over to the other side. It's going to be 1 minus a over 3. And over here it's going to be k equals 9 minus a over negative 5. So let's make that plus 5. So it's a minus and negative. So you solve for k. What? Do you know what you did wrong now?
Yeah,
okay.
I
You wrote the equation down wrong. Shoot. Yeah, that's a tough one. Okay. All right. So there you go. So now what we can do is, because this is the same function, and we have k equals something here and k equals something else here, I can equate those two and solve for just the single variable that remains. Okay, this is just one of the ways you can do it. You could do substitution as well, which really this is substitution. I've taken this and I've substituted it for k over here. That's what I've done. See? So now you just solve for a. So we're going to multiply everything by, well, we should multiply everything by 15 probably to get rid of 3 and get rid of 5. So it's going to be 15 minus 15 over 3 is 5, so that's 5a over here. 15 times 9 is 135, is it? And then 15 over 5 is 3. Okay? So let's add 5 to both sides. We've got 8a over here. I guess we're going to subtract 135, so that's going to be negative 120. And a equals what? 120 over 8 is what? 40? Negative 40?
Negative 50. 40. Negative 50.
What?
Negative 50.
15?
Yeah, 15. 120 divided by 8.
Thank you. Yes, it's 15. Not 40. So a is negative 15. I like that. So now we've got a. Now we can solve for k. And you go back to any one of your original equations if you want, and or any one of these ones right here, and you can go. Let's do a different color. K equals 1 minus negative 15 over 3. So minus negative 15 is like plus 15. K equals 1 plus 5. K equals 6. We get that? So a is negative 15. K equals 6. Okay. And then that's it. So that's a. That's the big thing. And then graphing it is not a big deal. I'll let you do that on your own. But y equals, so now we've got negative 15 over x minus 7, and then plus 6. So this is what you're going to graph. Okay? Does that match up with the solutions there? Everybody okay with that? All right.